Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing one of my favorite DIY hair growth oils that I've been using for a while now. It helped me with my hair growth and even my edges, and I realized that I've never actually shared this particular recipe with you guys, so I thought why not. So if you want a simple effective DIY hair growth recipe you can make at home, keep on watching and let's dive right into it. So the first ingredient I'll be needing is aloe vera. I usually have aloe vera at home, but if you don't, you can easily get it close to you. Aloe vera is very accessible. So now, as you can see, fresh aloe vera contains this yellowish liquid inside. So this is what causes the itching on the scalp, irritation, and that strong unpleasant smell some people complain about. So it's very important to properly prep your aloe vera before using it on your hair or scalp. So the first thing I did was to cut the aloe vera into pieces, and after cutting it up I went ahead to soak it in lukewarm water for like a few minutes, for 5 minutes. Then this step helps the aloe vera release that yellowish liquid. Okay, and after that I went ahead to cut it up, extract the gel, and because I really wanted to make sure that the smell and everything were fully gone, I went ahead to soak the gel again for about 5 minutes in lukewarm water. So for those of you who say you don't like the smell of aloe vera, or that aloe vera makes your scalp itch, this is why you need to prep it properly. So if you skip this step, especially if you plan on using the aloe vera gel directly on your scalp, you will end up itching. So make sure you properly prep your aloe vera gel. Next, I went ahead to add the aloe vera gel into a blender. Now moving on to the oils. For infusion, I'm using this olive oil. I'm just going to use about half a cup of that, since I wasn't making like a large batch, just enough to last me for about 2 to 3 weeks. So if you're making more, you can definitely increase the quantity. So if you don't have olive oil, you can also use avocado oil, coconut oil, or sunflower oil, basically any oil that works well for infusion. So since olive oil is on a little bit on the thick side, I like to balance it out with a lightweight oil. So for this recipe I added about 1/3 or 1/6 cup of grapeseed oil. Okay, grapeseed oil is very lightweight, it doesn't clog your pores, it is great for scalp massages, helps with hair growth, and it is rich in antioxidant. Or you can also use lightweight oils like jojoba oil or sweet almond oil. Jojoba oil is especially great because it mimics the scalp's natural sebum. So next I went ahead to transfer everything into a pot and place that on a very low heat. Okay, so to further enhance this oil, I added fenugreek seeds, about 1 tablespoon of that, followed with 1 tablespoon of cloves. Okay, this step is optional. If all you want to make is aloe vera oil, that is perfectly fine. Aloe vera alone is very powerful on its own. So the goal here is to allow the water content from the aloe vera to evaporate, so we are left with just the infused oil. This process doesn't take long at all, so make sure you stay close and keep an eye on it because you don't want the oil to burn. So once you notice that all the water has evaporated, you want to turn off the heat and let the oil cool completely. So after the oil cooled down, I went ahead to strain it using a sieve to remove all the residue. Then I transferred the oil into a bottle. Now let's move on to application. So my hair is freshly washed and I've already applied my leave-in conditioner. So today I'm using this oil as a sealant. So there are so many ways you can use this oil as a sealant after moisturizing, just like I want to do now. You can also use it as a scalp oil for massages, or you can use it for your pre-poo treatment before wash day. You can also use it for hot oil treatment and also to oil your scalp when wearing like your protective styles. Okay, and it is also important to focus on your edges acne and thinning areas, okay, because this oil is very versatile. So this oil has tons and tons of benefit, okay. The aloe vera helps to promote hair growth, soothes the scalp, reduces dandruff and irritation, strengthens hair strand. It also helps with edges regrowth. Aloe vera was one of the main things that helped me regrow my edges, and that is why I use it so much in my routine. So when it comes to fenugreek, it helps to reduce shedding, strengthens the hair, improves hair thickness, adds shine, and also helps with breakage. That is why I included it in this oil. So as for the cloves, it helps stimulate blood circulation, supports hair growth, strengthens hair follicles. It also has antibacterial properties. I love cloves. I use it a lot as well. So you can absolutely customize this oil based on what you have at home, or what your hair needs, okay. I sometimes add like rosemary, thyme leaves, amla, so feel free to switch things up if you have like your favorite hair growth ingredients and you want to add them to this oil. So as for the question of how long does this oil last, I don't usually make large batches of this oil. I prefer to just make enough to last me for about 2 to 3 weeks, since it's like a DIY and I don't want it sitting too long. So because I use it for like moisturizing, I also use it as a pre-poo treatment and for scalp massages. So it is best to just make just enough to last you for 2 to 3 weeks, then you can go ahead and make a new batch. So yeah guys, that's it for this DIY aloe vera hair growth oil. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this oil or if you've tried aloe vera oil in your routine before. And thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.